Hello, Richardson ISD. I want to address some important information regarding our COVID-19 risk mitigation protocol. As you're probably aware, Dallas County has moved the overall COVID risk level from orange back to red. You may recall that when we started our school year, the risk level was red and it moved to orange a few days before we began our elementary face-to-face instruction on September 8th. We've been seeing a decline since July 4th, but now the numbers are concerning and on the rise in the county. So this change in risk level back to where we have been before will not currently impact how Richardson ISD offers instruction. We will continue to operate under the precautions and mitigation efforts that have been in place this first semester. And families who wish to receive instruction virtually will still be offered that option. We've worked hard to avoid a situation where a case in a classroom or school has turned into an outbreak, and we'll continue to be diligent and relentless in those efforts. The ongoing care and attention of everyone involved in face-to-face instruction continues to be a basic part of what we all have to do while operating during this pandemic. The socio-emotional and instructional support for our students remains an equally top concern. Over and over again, the professionals tell us that the number one thing that we can do to mitigate risk is to wear a mask. I've used the words ask, compel, implore, beg, and I will continue to use them over and over again. Please wear a mask. This basic practice is the number one thing we all must do to keep this virus that lives to replicate out of our schools. I ask, compel, implore, and beg you to help us with this and model this for our students. As I've spoken about with you before, how we monitor here in Richardson ISD is the number of overall positive cases reported among all people living in Richardson ISD's zip codes. You can also view those numbers and maps through the RSD website. RSD is the northernmost school district in Dallas County, and it's informative to see how the data within RSD's boundaries compares to the rest of Dallas County, including the areas in the southern part of the county where cases can be most prevalent. As we considered at great length in our discussions leading up to the reopening of school, Dallas County's risk level is based on the entirety of Dallas County. It continues to be accurate that RSD's portion of Dallas County predominantly does not have the same level of COVID activity as some other areas in the county. And as we have operated without outbreaks since face-to-face instruction began, we're confident we can continue to do so. Our operations and health services staff evaluate COVID cases and impacts within our schools throughout each day, and they continue to do an exceptional job. If we do ever encounter an outbreak of positive cases at a school, or if a combination of quarantines and absences jeopardizes our ability to conduct school safely and effectively, we would work with our health department partners to make any temporary school closure decisions as needed. Let's avoid that from happening. Wear a mask. From the beginning and throughout the pandemic, we have been transparent, and I ask that you continue to trust that we will bring you updates that impact Richardson ISD as needed. The health and safety of our students and our staff is and always will be top priority. We appreciate your support and ask that you continue to work alongside us as we are all in this together. So to staff, please remember your well-being is top priority as well. Wear your mask at all times, inside our schools and when you're out in public. Thank you for your ongoing, again, thank you everyone for your ongoing support of our districts and our teachers and staff. Please stay safe and well, and please wear a mask. In fact, I have one that you can borrow. Contact my office if you need one. Here's a favorite. Friday, we're going to all be wearing this pink one for breast cancer awareness. This one was for Hispanic Heritage Month. This one is in support of our Richardson Area Alliance of Black School Educators, and this one is my favorite. It says, "We've got this." Contact my office if you need to borrow a mask. Please, everyone wear one.